Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. Okay guys, this is a super nice trailer. This is a 1994. Don't let age scare you. Let me just tell you, this trailer will be around forever. They are built strong. This is a 94 Sundowner stock combo. This trailer is 7 tall, 6'9" wide. It is all aluminum. This is the aluminum that you do acid wash. It makes it shine like a new nickel. So again, this is a 94. You would never know if I didn't tell you. This trailer is in immaculate shape. It's been very well kept. Solid. Again, they don't make things like this anymore. Full running boards, escape door. Does have graphics, the original graphics, and they still look good. Has a slider window on the escape door, 2 drop down windows without bars. However, they do have the nice screens that have been put in. It is a stock combo, so that means it's got the drop windows on the head side, escape door, and stock side on the rear, as well as the 2 back doors. Makes for excellent airflow. Rear bumper is in great shape. It does have a fold-up rear tack. You can fold that up and have extra space in this last stall. You could haul 4 technically, 2 small in the very back stall when you fold up that rear tack. Saddle rack is a swing out. It swings out from in the rear tack or in the front, which is kind of nice. Rubber is all still in great shape on the walls of this trailer. Mats are in great shape. So stock side on the rear, padded dividers, couple of, superficial tears here on the matting, no issues. Actually, I don't even think they're really causing any problem. Telescopic last divider. So you can push that in when you're loading a horse, so telescopic. It's a super nice trailer, guys. Again, well built, solid, all aluminum, not real heavy, so this is a pretty lightweight trailer. Only thing I can really point out is it's got a stain on the top of this fender. Other than that, there's no dings, fenders are good. It's in excellent shape. As you can see, kind of like this option, you can swing out this saddle rack right out the door of your dressing room. Has a brush box on that door. Stepping up in the dressing room, plenty of space. It's got bridle hooks, blanket bar, clothes bar, 2 windows in the nose. It does have a vent. Carpet, excellent shape. Again, this trailer is in phenomenal shape for its age. Nothing to be scared about. If you're looking for a starter trailer, you need a runaround trailer. This thing will last forever. So 1994 Sundowner stock combo, all aluminum, excellent shape. Come back around the other side. Escape door, drop down windows with the mesh guards. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales, and the best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.